Lazy, lazy horsies. This guy was lying down before and he was snoring. It was so cute. Lie down, honey. Go back to sleep. Snore for us. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Lie down. Lie down. Put your head down. Oh, another one going down. Whoa. Oh my God, they are so cute. Oh, big sigh. God, they're funny. Oh God, he's grunting. Oh, oops, little gas. They're hilarious. Hey, sweetie, put your head down. Lie down, come on, lie down. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, baby. Come on, sweetie. Come on. This one's really snoring. Wow. This one's sleeping, standing up with his lip dropping. His mouth is open. Whoa, that one's really snoring. Oh my God. They're so dramatic. That's probably why I love them. Yeah, lie down, honey. Put your head down. Oh, big sigh. Yeah. What is it? Yes, good boy. That's right. God. It's just too cute. No. Hi, honey. Big sigh. Are you restless? What's wrong? Oh, what? Yes. Oh, goodness. That's right. That's right. Lie down. Lie down, honey. Oh, good boy. That's right. Okay. Itchy. Time to get up. Wow. All right. Yeah. Wow. Okay, thank you. Okay. We'll see you later. Bye, sweetie.